Hello sailors! Welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah Ryan and I love sailing. Rain or shine, I'm not going to miss an opportunity to get on the water. Last year I sailed over 100 days. I hope to sail around the world someday. I started sailing as a kid and now I teach. I own a 40-year-old sunfish and I helped restore the schooner Virginia. I got a GoPro for my birthday and it's been so fun to share my time on the water with you. Here are some of my favorite clips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.